This is I'm just printing this 3D my 3D printer to resolve problem with the windows. I can't leave it open in a certain stops, so I can only fully open or close it. So with this I should be able to stop wherever I want. I'm going to show how this is going to work. I'll show it in the RV. And if you like this, you can download it. I'll put a link to download the 3D file. So it's the 3D printed these stoppers. So you can see, okay, kind of see there is a little bit of a groove, so it'll fall into this groove like this. So you can slide here, so you can just push and then it stays wherever you want. So this won't fall. If you want, you can take it out like this, put it in, so it's going to stay here. So that way you can, or if you completely want to take it out, you can. This one, it'll, when you close the door hard, it's just falls like this. So this is, I don't think we'll have to take it out. It'll be, if it's fully open, I think you can. This is fully open. You push it in a little bit. Don't push too hard, so because this depends on what material you use to print. I use PLA, so it's a little bit more plasticky. If you use different material, like a little bit rubberized material, so I think it's PLC, I think, a little bit rubber material, so that might be different, but this works. So on this side, I have another window this side. I'm going to put it on that as well. Test it. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to leave a little bit open, small crack. This is, I normally like to leave a little bit open, and then the fan running. Same. That way the water doesn't come if it rains. Okay, so hope this helps. If you like, please click like and subscribe. If I make things like this, improving my RV, I will definitely add these things.